So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in NVIDIA Control Panel. Now you want to click on app settings. And now once this comes up, you want to scroll down and then click on terminate. Now you want to click on reset and then click on reset again. You want to reset the NVIDIA Control Panel. Open up NVIDIA Control Panel, see if that works for you. If that's still not working, then you want to click on uninstall and then click on uninstall again. You want to uninstall the NVIDIA Control Panel. And now you want to go to search and type in Microsoft Store. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to search for NVIDIA Control Panel. Click on it. You just want to re-download it again, see if that works. For the last method, go to Google and then type in NVIDIA app. Go to the website. You want to download the NVIDIA app. Once that's been downloaded, you want to open it up, go to the driver tab, and then click on check for updates. Make sure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. If you have an update for your graphics card, click on download, you want to install that. So make sure you have the latest drivers installed for your graphics card. Another thing, you can go to search and type in NVIDIA Control Panel. You can run it as administrator. And then click on yes. See if that works. The last thing, just restart your computer. Come back into Windows and then try again.